The world is changing like never before, and in a changing environment it's important that businesses adapt. I have with me today Paul Garrott, the CEO and Managing Director of Marinova. Paul, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and the company?
Well, I'm actually a chartered accountant by background. My career began with the leading accounting firms KPMG and PricewaterhouseCoopers, and I worked my way up to partner level in Sydney before relocating back to Tasmania in 2003 to establish Marinova. This company is a unique biotechnology company. We specialise in the extraction of a very novel compound out of seaweed, and those compounds we sell to leading nutritional and pharmaceutical companies.
Where are your key markets?
Our key markets are primarily North America and Asia, although we are seeing Europe emerging as another key market for us.
The growth of the company has been significant in recent years. How have you managed to achieve this in such a tough economic environment?
Well, look, we have long-term supply and research collaborations in place, and they've held us in very good stead. We've also been very focused on our core competencies over the past few years. We really have established ourselves as being the leader in this niche.
What advice would you give to someone who wants to live locally and work globally?
Well, I think it's critical to maintain a global mindset. It's about surrounding yourself with like-minded people, people who are globally focused, people with international business experience. Surrounding yourself with those people makes an enormous amount of difference.
Attracting the world's best scientists must have been difficult here in Tasmania and a challenge. How have you managed to achieve this?
Look, we've tried very hard to create a very stimulating intellectual working environment here. We are the leader in our field, and I think our scientists can see the close nexus between the work that they do and the commercialisation of our products. And our scientists don't undertake research for research's sake. It's all very much commercially focused. So providing them with autonomy, providing them with a stimulating work environment, I think has been critical to us attracting those people.
As a successful professional, what advice would you give to someone who wants to achieve financial independence?
I think people often overestimate the downside of risks in their investment strategies and also in their entrepreneurial and business decisions. I think when somebody actually launches themselves and thinks pragmatically about their situation, a lot of those risks can be mitigated, and similarly a lot more opportunities can emerge than what you first anticipate. So I think a pragmatic approach to that risk-reward scenario is important.
Thank you, Paul, for joining us today. It's great to see such a unique company working here in Tasmania and making such a great mark on the world stage.